Welcome, in front of me I have Opel Astra car key, and today I will show you how we can exchange battery in this key. So at the first we have to press that button to open our key, and right now we have to remove that part. So we have to lift that gently. Take a look, you can make it with your finger, just like that, and when you make it, this bottom part also is removed. So just put them here, and right now we are inside, as you can see, so we can easily remove that battery and right now input the new one. And right now if you want to put back these parts, you have to start from this one, from this metal part, and you have to put it like that, then press a little bit, and right now get that plastic material, that plastic part, and put it here. And right now we can start from this side, press, and also press here. As you can see right now it's done. You can close your key, and basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.